Our renovation video focuses on a significant upgrade to our porch railings. We have a Colonial Revival Victorian house built in 1900. We are removing the rotting wood railings that originally adorned our porches. Our new porch railings are made of wrought iron, celebrated for its durability and low maintenance requirements. Historically, wrought iron has been a choice material for Colonial Revival homes in affluent neighborhoods, offering aesthetic appeal and practical longevity. Our decision to replace the weather-beaten wooden railings with wrought iron is rooted in a desire to blend traditional elegance and modern convenience. The creation of our new wrought iron porch railings involved meticulous craftsmanship. Starting with precise measurements, the wrought iron was shaped and tailored to fit our porch's unique dimensions. This process included cutting the iron to length and heating it until it became malleable. Then, the iron is expertly formed into intricate designs through hammering, bending, and pressing techniques. The assembly of balusters, railings, and decorative elements into a cohesive structure was achieved through precise welding. Once fabricated, a powder coating finishing technique was applied. A powder coating will enhance the durability and finish of our wrought iron railings. This process involves applying an electrostatic charge to the dry powder and curing it under heat to form a protective layer. It provides additional protection against the elements, ensuring our railings remain vibrant and corrosion-free for years. The final step in our porch renovation was meticulously installing the wrought iron railings. Installing the wrought iron handrails requires precise drilling of concrete. The railings are attached to our porch floor and columns and secured with anchor bolts. The final result is two elegant porches, one on the front of the house, another on the side entrance.